Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another video. So just going to give you guys a little update on what's going on with me because a lot of people have been asking where I've been, what I've been up to, and if I'm okay. And I really appreciate all the support and all the reach out and outreach or whatever you want to call it. So from the bottom of my heart, I want to start off by saying thank you. So, recently I had some stuff going on with some family. My dad had a triple bypass surgery and he's okay, thank God. So that's what I was really worried about over the last couple of weeks. So, when I didn't do my Thirsty Thursday, a lot of people were reaching out and seeing what's up and how everything's going. And then I traveled to New York and I went to Romania and now I am back home. But I will be in B-Side Tampa this weekend and I had B-Side Romania, Hack SpaceCon this week. So that was supposed to be a week vacation and ended up being sort of like a week of stress last week, a couple weeks ago, whatever it was. But yeah, I just want to come on here, give you guys an update. I'm okay. Everything's okay. Thank God. And yeah, so hopefully, everyone is having an awesome week. And then, thank you for B-Side Transylvania, to all the, sponsors and all the speakers and the workshops. I did an awesome workshop. I got to meet some new people, which I was super grateful for. And, Hack SpaceCon is always fun. That's ran by Red Sear Secure that I'm, affiliated with. So some cool interviews and cool stuff was going to be coming out hopefully soon with them. And then we'll see what B-Side Tampa has in store for us this weekend. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video because the last video I made was my Thirsty Thursday with Lee Valentine, and it's been a minute since I've been on camera. And like I said, I got people reaching out to me on Instagram, Twitter, my Discord, LinkedIn, and via text message for the people that have my phone number. And everything is okay, and I really appreciate it. So on a happy note, if anyone is going to B-Side Tampa today or tomorrow, let me know. And looking forward to seeing you out there. And like I said, this is not a technical video. It's just an update video on Patrick's life. And I will be coming back with some technical stuff. And my Thirsty Thursday will be resuming next week, hopefully. And, things going back to normal, hopefully on Monday. Back to work, back to normal life. And hopefully everyone has a beautiful weekend. Hopefully everyone is safe and sound. Family's all good. And if there's anything that I can do to help you with anything from conferences, I'll be, helping out with B-Side St. Pete, B-Side Orlando, some DEF CON stuff with Josh Mason, with their Noob Village. And, I'm always here to give back and help out whenever I can and wherever I can. So that's what it's all about in the community. Remember, don't be a dick. But that's all for today. Hopefully you guys enjoying your week, enjoy your weekend. And until next time, have a beautiful day.